Hey guys, I'm here today and I thought I would show you my wonderful pumpkin that I made at a pumpkin painting event and then show you some other Halloween stuff that I have that I plan to wear on Halloween that's like not really a costume but just something to be in the spirit because I can't really do anything on Halloween because I got a paper and I have an assignment due. And then the next day I have another assignment. So that's the college life with Halloween. I got to go to a Halloween party thing last year in my dorm, but not this year. I went home the weekend before Halloween. Had a good time with my family. And yeah. When I went home, I got these wonderful gifts from my boyfriend. He was so sweet and surprised me. So I have these, and obviously I'm not going to read the card because it's personal, but yeah. And you can see I have another Halloween thing to join my collection. But besides that, I got a Halloween package from my family. I haven't read the card yet, but I plan on doing that on Halloween. So I got some leggings that have skeletons, and then this is some gum. I'm not sure what flavor it is, but yeah, some gum. I thought the packaging is really cute. Of course, chocolate, because my mom knows I like chocolate. So yeah, I'm prepared for Halloween. And I hope you guys like this video to see what I have to celebrate the Halloween spirit in my room. So yeah.